Hi there, everyone, and one and all. The update of the Cool Diversity. Why am I saying cool? The World Day of Culture Diversity, and as you can see, we have a lot of things. So let's check it out. So first, we're gonna go on Call Me Haley's channel. And I'm finished, and here is everything. And here's all the masculine hair in this clip. I think, to be honest, these hairs are the best hair. Okay, let me show you. So here we have a little braid, and then we have this little cutesy cute here. The style is amazing. And then we have these beads. Just to impress really did us a very good. Okay. Oh my god. And they said everything is free. And here's one. It's pretty nice. And the braid at the side and everything is just. And then this one. This is the best hair I've ever seen. As the toggles. Okay, there's no toggles. Okay, they shouldn't have toggle. They should have had toggles to remove these braids in the flowers, and it would be a swoop hair combo. That looks nice. I didn't try this. But it's pretty curly, and it looks like the ones that they added in the petal update. Yeah, these ones. Okay, next one is this cute bun, and it also looks like I thought they would like put it in a much more curvy thing, and this is a hair that is swooped behind and back, which is actually pretty nice, and I love the little wave at the side. That's amazing. And then the last hair is this one. It kind of reminds me of Dracula, but it's a Japanese bun, and it's so dang cute. Okay. Now here's a dress that she is wearing right now, and it's from some of these. Okay, time to see the faces. Here is all the faces that you guys need to know and how they look. Here's all the faces. The first one, it might be like something like Brazilian. This face looks like something like, it would be like, I don't know, but this one, I can tell you right away that this is Japanese. And this is like, I don't know, Thai, Filipino, I don't know. And I don't know, this one you can tell right away, India. So yeah. And here they are. So that's who has those. There must be a actually pretty good. Okay, all the items are for free, and when you put them on, it gives you a loyal diversity of how everything looks. So we're gonna style these outfits, and I'll style this girl one first because it's the best. Like, please tell me it has toggles. Okay, it doesn't have toggles, but it still looks good. I'm not gonna lie. This one is Philippine. Oh my god, is it? I don't know. Oh, it's Spaniard. It's Spanish. This is Mexican culture. I'm not a man, but I can still wear it. This is Mexican culture, and I also think too. This is another Mexican culture thing. And we have a lace on the top and a skirt only, and people in between So I'm gonna make the outfit and you'll see. And guys, if you guys don't know about me, like, okay, I didn't need to have my outfit even though I showed you a little bit. But if you guys don't know, this has special gift cards, and I just want to show you the quick side outfit. It looks pretty good, right? I'm telling you, it looks good. It could look even better. Let's get to it. And the gift cards are up here so you can view the card. And I'm gonna show you something that is actually pretty. Now this is the finishing product. I opinionally love it, and I'm gonna say this out loud and show you what I'm talking about when I say you can my whole outfit cultural. That's what I call mine. So what I'm telling you guys is, they say you can try on packs separate. The packs, you try them separately, and that's what it said. I don't know. Oh. Okay, so how did I pause this video and then sit and look at this card? Like, I literally have like supermarket Wi-Fi. So here's the cute seat, and I'm gonna try it. And I'm really get I don't. Sorry that you hear so much noise in the background. There's if anyone's so we're gonna try the men's first. Because look at this. Okay, next event. So here's and here's another one. It's good and it has the details. The details are my favorite. This one and also the hat is my favorite as well. Everything is my favorite, and it also has details. The details. And now my design. If I'm pronouncing it right, please tell me. Face cover, cheek, on ears. Even though I don't have, but you're gonna see. On ears. Oh my god, this one. And then this one. Face cover lip. Why is it not doing anything? Oh. Tail. Okay. And a low. So all the colors for the feather. And then we have in the arms. There's no color. Okay. And here's the, it has a lot of toggle. Just two toggles. You can make it default and you can bigger. Yeah. I think, but it's not like that. Okay, we have this solar boots, and I don't think they come in any top. We have this little Lincoln Z thingy. Let's read the view card. And sorry guys, I do not know how to pronounce some of these words in the view card, so the quilt has a long history dating back to the 5th century. I do not know how to or great. If anyone speaks the language Fele Adahan more, please tell me in the comments. Or Great Celt was the original Celt name and style for what we know as the modern kilt or small kilt, one of the kilt's most noble features. Okay, I can't read all of this stuff. I'm too lazy. Okay, here's another one. Okay, I really like this. And it maybe comes with new patterns or whatever. Because I literally have McDonald's. Okay. So I think that's all. And now, if you guys didn't know, I'm gonna join your regular server, and I hope that. Okay. Oh my god. We're gonna walk on that. Okay. Here I am. Somebody could hear when you figure out how you're lost in the moment you dance a And guys, if you guys see this, if you guys are singing, I was just singing a Make It Shine song from Victorious, but if you guys are seeing this, they lowered the price and you can get 85 to walk past. Like, it's literally $85. You're kidding. Your local rat. I would love to give some of my fans. Oh my god. Guys, tell me your password in this, and I'm gonna sit in your I'm gonna sit down. And I'm gonna make you rich in Kizune. Don't worry. Just hit your password in the comments if you don't want to. It's okay, because I know some of you feel like I don't know what to say, because I do not want to speak any bad about you guys, but you guys are just you guys are amazing fans. Let's end the run right there. And there's no one typing in the comments. They're just so locked in. But now is the time we time all this thing. Oh my god, he has a belly button? Okay. So now it's time how we do. But I'm not gonna do the regular series videos. In this video, we're gonna end the video right here. And I hope you check out all this. I should have gone live, but I do not know how to go live because I literally started on YouTube a month ago. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and make sure you hit the like and subscribe button.